This is the first video in a playlist called PalmaBot Essentials. I'll be showing you how to use the tools on the PalmaBot. Let's get started. You'll need to write /start to activate your PalmaBot. It will nicely greet you, and these two command bars will show up right here. But today we'll be just looking at the commands for this bot. The first command is tools. There are three types of tools that we have over here. The first one is /news. This will show you the last top 3 news from Google under a particular subject or coin. So let's say I'm interested in Ethereum. I'll just write /news at Ethereum, and the bot will show me the top 3 news from today. Next, you can just click a link and it will redirect you to a Google site with this particular news. The next tool that we'll be looking at is /price. This will show you the coin prices on exchanges. So let's say I want to buy ADA with Ethereum on Binance. I'll just write /news, ADA, Ethereum, and Binance. Here it will show me the ask and bid price for ADA on the Ethereum market on the Binance exchange. It will also show me a simple graph of ADA on the Ethereum market on Binance. Here I can just check the history and maybe predict where the price is going next. The last tool that we'll be looking at is the /RB. This tool can be used to check prices of a coin on different markets. Let's say I have bought ADA, but now I want to sell it and buy Ethereum again. I don't know if Binance is the best exchange to do that. Maybe the price of Ethereum has dropped more than on other exchanges. I can quickly check that by writing /RB, A-R-B-I, ADA, Ethereum, Binance. And it will show me the price differences for ADA on other markets. So over here we have ADA on Binance, but I can see that on Hitbot.co ADA is more expensive than on Binance. It's almost 1% more expensive. So it will be beneficial for me to send ADA to my Hitbot.co account and sell it on that exchange. That way I don't lose money or I make more money. So that was a quick look at tools on PalmaBot. You can check PalmaBot for free on Telegram by using this handle. Until next time.